Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Today I'm going to go over 3 Chinese stocks that IPO'd recently and share my thoughts on these companies. The Chinese companies are HUYA, HUYA, and BILI. Recently there's been a lot of hype around these companies because they are technology companies that are similar to Netflix and Twitch, but they cater to the Chinese market. Now the interesting thing is that China's population is at 1.4 billion, and about 50% of that population has internet access, meaning there's a lot of opportunity for growth. To put that in perspective, the United States has a population of over 320 million, and almost 90% of that population already has internet access. So again, a lot of opportunities for growth because the Chinese population is 4 times the US population, and the internet access population is growing. With that said, let's talk about the recently IPO'd Chinese companies. First company is iQIYI, ticker symbol IQ. iQIYI is one of the largest online video streaming platforms in China with nearly 6 billion hours spent on its service each month and over 500 million active monthly users. The company IPO'd on March 29, 2018 and has been growing ever since. The current price is $39.26. Market cap is 25.3 billion. Now let's look at the performance. Today it was down 3.23%. 1 week it's been up 14.19%. 1 month up 81.9%. 3 months up 115.33%. And that's pretty much it. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. To give some background, the parent company of iQIYI is Baidu, which is China's largest search engine. iQIYI is similar to Netflix as it continues to add its own original content. It also purchased copyrights to some of the top entertainment shows in mainland China and other shows in Taiwan and South Korea. Also, Netflix has a license deal with iQIYI, where some Netflix original productions are available on iQIYI. Next stock I want to talk about is HUYA, ticker symbol HUYA. HUYA is a platform that provides video game live streaming similar to Twitch, but they cater to the Chinese market. The parent company of HUYA is YY, which is a major video-based social network with over 300 million users. HUYA IPO'd on May 11th and has been growing ever since. The current price is $44.50. Market cap is 8 billion. Now let's take a look at the performance. Today was up 0.69%. 1 week it's been up 24.1%. 1 month up 124%. 3 months up 186%. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. The 1 month retention rate for HUYA was 70%, which is ahead of its competitors. HUYA shares have been steadily rising ever since it reported first quarter results on June 5th, with a revenue of 134.5 million, growing 111% year over year with a profit of $5 million. This is versus a loss in the same period last year. Daily active user growth grew 25% year over year, which shows engagement on the platform is strong, as more users are logging in daily to see what's going on. HUYA now sports more than 92 million total users using the streaming platform. The third and last stock is BILI, ticker symbol BILI. BILI is a video sharing platform themed around animation, comics, and games based in China. It IPO'd on March 28th, 2018, and has been growing ever since. The current price is $19.52, and market cap is 4.99 billion. All right, let's take a look at the performance. Today it was down 4.63%. 1 week up 2.95%. 1 month up 59.72%, 3 months up 99.49%, and this is pretty much the same for 1 year. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. Bilibili's big gain in May was largely driven by the company's release on May 23rd, a promising first quarter 2018 financial results. In the first quarterly report since going public, revenue was up 105% year over year to $138.4 million. Mobile game revenue was up 97% to $109.8 million. Live broadcasting and value-added revenue increased 151% to $15.3 million. Advertising revenue rose 144% to $11.2 million, and other revenue increased 65% to $2.1 million. Key user stats moved in the right direction, with average monthly active users in the quarter increasing 35% year over year to 77.5 million. Average monthly paying users rose 190% to 2.5 million users, and average monthly paying users for mobile games was up 79% to roughly 800,000 users. So as you can see, there's a lot of growth in terms of revenue and their user base. So all this sounds good, but would I add iQIYI, HUYA, and Bilibili to my portfolio? I currently have a small position in iQIYI and do not plan to add HUYA and Bilibili to my portfolio because I think there's more opportunities for growth with iQIYI. Relative to the American market, although Twitch is growing fast, Netflix has a larger opportunity because it has a more diverse range of video streaming content versus Twitch, which only caters to gamers. iQIYI is a large cap company, which is what I like in my portfolio. And although it doesn't have any dividends, the profits are being reinvested back into growth and producing content and licensing deals. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on iQIYI, HUYA, and Bilibili? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one.